Today's story is about this one little girl whose name was Rudri. Rudri used to go to school where she had some friends and she was good in studies, but she used to get very angry very often. So she had friends who would suddenly not become her friends because nobody used to like that she was getting angry so many times. She would get angry for small reasons. Sometimes somebody for some fun would pull her hair or just touch her hair and she would say, "Hey, don't touch my hair," and she would also push that person. Sometimes if something falls down by mistake, again she would get angry and she would say, "Why did you make my things fall down?" And because she would keep shouting, slowly, whatever friends she had, they all went away. There was this one little boy who used to be with her from when she was a very small girl. This boy's name was Om. And Om used to keep telling her that don't get angry. It's not nice to be angry. So some days Rudri would listen, but half of the day she would forget. Sometimes when Rudri would be playing downstairs, she would hit the ball so hard that it would go into a neighbor uncle's house and break the window. It is very bad to do. You have to be very careful. But many times she would just not listen. One day it so happened that all the children were playing in the compound. Rudri was also playing with them, and something happened and she got very angry. She got so angry that she started banging dam. All her friends told her, "Rudri, stop! Rudri, stop! Rudri, stop!" Her mama was calling out to her that you please come up. Mama came running down, but before mama could catch hold of her, Rudri had a big football in her hand and she threw it, boom! And again one neighbor uncle's window broke. There was glass everywhere. Everybody was very upset with Rudri. They said, "Rudri, this is not good behavior. You cannot get angry like this. Good children never get angry. They don't break things." Rudri said, "I am really very sorry. My friend Om also tells me the same thing, but I am not able to remember that I do not have to get angry. Can somebody please help me remember how I should not get angry?" So Om said, "You know what, Rudri? When I used to go to Masti Ki Pathshala class, my teacher had taught me one very nice magic to do when I feel angry." So Rudri said, "Is that so? Will you please teach it to me, Om?" Om said, "Yes, why not? If you want to learn, I am more than happy to teach you." Rudri said, "Yes, please teach me." Om said that when you are feeling angry, you know what you have to do? You have to just count up to whatever is your age. So if you are 5 years old, you have to take a deep breath in, 5 times breathe in and 5 times breathe out. If you are 4 years old, 4 times breathe in, 4 times breathe out. But you have to do it for a very long breath in and long breath out. He said, "Will that help me? Will I be able to get less angry?" Om said, "Yes. And if you want to make it even better, you know what you can do? You can keep your best favorite soft toy on your tummy. You can keep it on your tummy and then you can breathe in and you can breathe out. And if you do this, I promise you that all your anger will go away." Rudri said, "Is that so? I will definitely try it out the next time I am feeling angry." So after a few days, it so happened that again somebody was pulling her hair, somebody was pulling her dress, and the anger was coming. So she remembered that Om had told her to take 5 deep breaths in and 5 deep breaths out because she was 5 years old. So immediately, that time she did not have a soft toy. She just put her hand on her tummy and she took a breath in and out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. She did that for 5 times and slowly, her anger which had come slowly went away. She said, wow, this is magic. If I just breathe in and breathe out, the anger which is there in me is slowly going away. She said, I promise that I will definitely do this every time I'm feeling sad, I'm feeling angry, I'm feeling upset. She went and told Om and said, thank you so much, Om, for helping me. She gave him a big hug, and because she stopped getting angry, she had many more friends. So we also want to have many more friends. We don't want to get angry, right? So let us all try to do this breathing exercise.